What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you the molecular formula for chromium 3 chloride. So chromium is Cr, and since this 3 is Cr3 plus, and chloride is -1 because it belongs to a halogen group. So if you want to write it down, it's gonna be Cl3, so the 3 is gonna sit here, 1 is gonna sit here, so and then you write it CrCl3. That's the molecular formula for chromium. Chromium has different oxidation states. So sometimes called charges. So that's why we need to always show the number in front of the chromium. It can be, for example, 3 or 6, something like that. And based on that, we can give the charge of the chromium. So now we have chromium 3 chloride, which is going to be CrCl3.